Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do trigonometry part 2, which is chapter number 3 of maths 1, that is trigonometry part 2. So in previous video we did question number 1 of this exercise and question number 2, some examples we have done. See the last example, that is 14th question, sub question number 14 is left. So we will do that in this video. Here sub question number 14, that is what cos of 15 degree minus sine of 15 degree upon cos of 15 degree plus sine of 15 degree. We want to show it is equal to what? 1 upon root 3. So remember this formula, that is tan of 45 degree minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta So we will remember this formula, tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Now let's do this. LHS is equal to what? See here, LHS is equal to cos of 15 degree minus sine of 15 degree upon cos of 15 degree plus sine of 15 degree plus sine of 15 degree. Okay. We will divide by cos 15 degree to numerator and denominator. So if we divide by cos 15 degree to numerator and denominator, this gives 1. यहाँ पे आएगा sine of 15 degree upon cos of 15 degree, and this denominator is what? 1 plus sine of 15 degree upon cos of 15 degree. Now here sine 15 upon cos 15, that is tan of 15 degree, 1 minus tan of 15 degree, yes, tan of 15 degree, here it will be 1 minus tan of 15 degree, and denominator is equal to 1 plus tan of 15 degree, 1 plus tan of 15 degree. Here look at this formula, tan of 45 degree minus theta is 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. So clearly this is equal to tan of 45 degree minus theta. Theta is here 15 degree, which is equal to tan of 45 minus 15, that is 30 degree, and which is equal to tan of 30 degree, 1 upon root 3, which is RHS. So what we did here, we divide by cos 15 to numerator and denominator. We express it in terms of tan. 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is tan of pi by 4 minus theta, and 45 degree minus 15, 30 degree, tan of 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So let's do this now, question number 3. Here in this way question number 2 is completed. Here we do question number 3. Here question number 3 we will do. Question number 3. If sine A is equal to minus pi upon 13, where A lies in which quadrant? A lies in third quadrant. pi to 3 pi by 2 is what? Third quadrant. Cos of B is equal to what? Cos of B is equal to 3 by 5, and our B lies in which quadrant? 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi means what? Fourth quadrant. Here we want to find sine of A plus B, cos of A minus B, and tan of A plus B. So as sine we know, we will find what? Cos. So cos square A is equal to what? 1 minus sine square A. 1 minus sine square A, which is equal to what? 1 minus 25 upon 169. And 169 minus 25, it is 144 divided by 169. So cos square A is equal to what? 144 divided by 169. Therefore what you will get? Cos of A is equal to plus or minus 12 upon 13. Now here our A lies in which quadrant? A lies in third quadrant. So as A lies in third quadrant, therefore cos A will be equal to negative minus 12 upon 13. So thus you are getting cos A is equal to, therefore we are getting here cos A is equal to minus 12 upon 13, because our A lies in third quadrant. So third quadrant में sine and cos negative. Then cos B is known to us. Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore sine square B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. 1 minus cos square B, it is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 25. Therefore sine square B is equal to sine square B equals to 25 minus 9, which is 16 upon 25. Therefore sine B is equal to plus or minus 4 upon 5. Then but our B lies in which quadrant? B lies in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant sine B will be what? Negative. Okay, sine B will be negative. Therefore sine B will be equal to, in fourth quadrant it is negative, sine is negative, so minus 4 upon 5. So therefore we are getting here sine B is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Now we have sine A. Sine A is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Cos A is equal to 12 upon 13, minus 12 upon 13. And cos B is equal to what? 3 by 5. And sine B is equal to what? Minus 4 upon 5. So you can get, here we can get sine of A plus B. Yes. What will be the sine of A plus B? Sine of A plus B equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Here sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now sine A cos B, here sine of A plus B is equal to, formula is this, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B here make substitution. Sin A is minus 5 upon 13. Cos B, what is cos B? 3 upon 5 it is, plus cos A, what is cos A? Minus 12 upon 13. And sin B is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So therefore, what is sin of A plus B? Sin of A plus B is equal to what? This is minus 15 upon 65. Minus 15 upon 60. Don't reduce it because we want LCM of the denominator. Plus होगा ये 48 upon 65. So 48 minus 15, which is 33 upon 65. This is the first answer. Then we require cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B, formula is this: cos of A minus B. See here, cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. cos A क्या है? cos A is equal to minus 12 upon 13 है. Cos B is how much? 3 upon 5 is there. Sin A is how much? Sin A is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Minus 5 upon 13. Sin B is equal to what? Minus 4 upon 5. So again, LCM of denominator will be 65. See here, LCM of denominator will be 65 minus 36, and this will be plus 20. This will be plus 20, and this is minus 36. So you are getting it. Okay, here the answer will be negative 65. It is here. It is minus 16 upon 65. Then we required, this is what? Cos of A minus B. So you are getting cos of A minus B is equal to minus 16 upon 65. Then we require tan of A plus B. So tan of A plus B we will find. See here, tan of A plus B we will find here. Now to find tan of A plus B, we require tan A and tan B. What will be tan A? That is sin A upon cos A. Sin A upon cos A, and it is equal to, see, or sin A is what? Minus 5 upon 13. And what is cos A? Cos A is minus 12 upon 13. So that it is equal to 5 by 12. Yes, 13 is getting cancelled, negative sign will also get cancelled, and you are getting tan of A is equal to 5 upon 12. Now tan of B is required. Tan of B is equal to sin B upon cos B. Sin B upon cos B. So sin B upon cos B. What is sin B? Sin B is minus 4 upon 5. And what is cos B? Cos B is 3 by 5. So this 5 is getting cancelled, and it is tan of B is equal to what? It is minus 4 upon 3. Tan of B is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So after getting tan A and tan B, see here we are getting tan A and tan B. tan A is equal to 5 upon 12, tan B is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So you will find now tan of what is required, tan of, see here, tan of A plus B is required. Okay, tan of, therefore tan of A plus B is required, which is tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is tan A? 5 upon 12. What is tan B? Minus 4 upon 3. 1 minus tan A. Tan A is 5 upon 12. And what is tan B? Minus 4 upon 3. Okay. So what will be the LCM of denominator? Here 36 will be the LCM of denominator. Here 15 minus 48 and divided by, here LCM is what? 36. 36 is the LCM. 36 plus 20 plus what? 20. So what? See, this 36 is getting cancelled over here. ये 36 cancel होगा and you are getting here minus 33, यहाँ पे आएगा minus 33. Okay, minus 33 divided by, this is what? 56. Minus 33 divided by 56. That is what tan of A plus B you are getting. Therefore, tan of A plus B is equal to minus 33 upon 56. Done. फिर इसके बाद लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. tan A और tan B दिया है, tan of A plus B, A plus B equals to 45 डिग्री प्रूव करना है. What is given over here? Tan A is given pi by 6. See here, question number 4. Question number 4 is what? If tan of A is equal to pi by 6 or tan of B is equal to what? 1 by 11, और हमें प्रूव करना है, प्रूव दैट A plus B is pi by 4. What to prove here? A plus B is pi by 4. 45 डिग्री प्रूव करना है. So let's find tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B find करते हैं. Formula is this: tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B upon what? 1 minus tan A into tan B. What? 1 minus tan A into tan B. So what is this tan of A? So here tan of A plus B is equal to tan A. Tan A is 5 upon 6. Tan B is 1 upon 11. 1 minus tan A is 5 upon 6. Tan B is 1 upon 11. So simplify this. Here LCM of the denominator is 66. Okay, LCM of the denominator will be 66. LCM of denominator is 66 and there 55 minus 6. So cross multiplication gives 55 minus 6. Okay, 55 minus 6. this will be 55 minus 6 divided by, again here LCM of denominator is 66, 66 minus 5, okay, it is 66 minus 5, tan of a plus b, therefore tan of a plus b is equal to, see this will be 66 is getting cancelled, tan of a plus tan of b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, यहाँ पे अभी tan of a क्या है बेटा 5 upon 6 और tan of b है 1 upon 11 और डिनोमिनेटर में 1 माइनस व्हाट इज tan of a 5 upon 6 और into 1 upon what 11. What will be the LCM of denominator over here? 66 LCM होगा 5 into 11 that is 55 और प्लस 6 आएगा बेटा और डिनोमिनेटर क्या आएगा देखो, ये डिनोमिनेटर विल बी व्हाट हियर अगेन LCM ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इज 66 माइनस 5 आएगा, हियर दिस 66 इज गेटिंग कैंसल, व्हाट इज tan ऑफ, देन tan ऑफ a प्लस b क्या आएगा देखो, tan ऑफ a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू, ओके, this is what 55 plus 6 that is 61 आएगा और डिनोमिनेटर में 66 minus 5 is again 61 which is getting cancelled and finally you are getting what 1, मतलब tan of a plus b you are getting 1. So what did you infer? Therefore it is tan of what pi by 4, मतलब a plus b, that means what a plus b is equal to pi by 4. We are interested to show this, therefore tan of a plus b is equal to what pi by 4. Okay, so how we can show it? We use formula tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Substitute tan a and tan b, यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई करने पर आपको 1 आएगा आंसर, therefore tan of a plus b is 1 but tan of pi by 4 is 1, मतलब a plus b is pi by 4. Yes, done. So we have to show here a plus b is equal to pi by 4. So yes dear students, all 4 questions we have done in this video. So we'll continue in the next video, next exercise. This exercise is over. Thank you for watching this video.